Hi, and welcome back to Handsthatcook. Today we're going to make a toasted French bread sandwich. I got a loaf of French bread, I cut it in half, and I have put olive oil on both sides. I've already finished one. Now to that, I'm going to add some mozzarella cheese, some tomato, preheat your oven to 400 degrees. A little bit of pepper. A little bit of salt. Some salami. This is Chanois, but you use whatever you like. I'll put the top on. Now I'm going to get some aluminum foil. Now, I've already preheated my oven. I'm going to pick up my sandwich and I'm going to put it diagonally in the foil with the Now, I've already made some soup. We're going to have soup and sandwich today. Alright, I'm going to put this in the 400 degree oven 10 or 15 minutes and then we'll be back. Alright, I just took this out of the oven. I'm going to cut it in half. Woo! I think I am. I broke the bread. I'm sorry, y'all.
Oh, that's all right.
Well, let's see. It is hot. And we're going to let Sam taste it. Y'all, I don't, it's so hot I hate to pick it up.
Well, I'll get it.
Ooh. All right, there's a sandwich. Come here, Sammy.
What a meal. Soup and sandwich. They look so good and healthy. Now, what am I tasting?
This is a toasted French bread salami sandwich, and this is the 1950 soup.
Okay.
Hold on to it, because I broke it. Here. Here's a napkin. How is it?
Very good.
Delicious.
Well, that's French bread, and then the salami. You got cheese?
Yeah, I got mozzarella cheese and tomatoes.
Yeah, that's a meal right there. That's a good meal. Good for you. Look at all the color in that soup.
Yeah, it's good soup. Y'all, I've got a video on 1950s soup. So if you want to make the soup, I've got the video up. The sandwich I just made, it's easy. If y'all are homebound, it's an easy sandwich. You don't have to use salami. Use whatever luncheon meat you want to, and whatever bread you want to. But I happen to have this loaf of French bread that I needed to use, so I went ahead and used it. So anyway, I thank y'all for coming in and staying with me a while today. I'm gonna put my camera on my sandwich here.
It's half of it's gone.
Yeah, well, half of half. Thank you for coming in and spending part of your day with me. Like and subscribe if you haven't. And I thank every one of you. And you all take care and be safe. And until next time, God bless every one of you. Try this sandwich. It's good.
Yes, it is.